Hello, namaste and welcome in the series of cybersecurity. This side is Meena and today I will discuss about why is backup strategy vital for your company. In case if you lose your data and if you don't have any backup plan, then definitely there will be a huge damage to your company, the reputation of the company, and there can be a lot of monetary point of view damage to your company. Okay, so having a backup plan, it is really very essential for a company. And in today's session I will discuss about what are the possible loss to the data, okay, and what is the impact if in case if we lose the data, and why is it important to having a backup system. So let's start today's session. In case if we are losing data, this is just not like we are putting our customer data at risk, but it will be also a huge damage to the company's credibility, because people will not believe on them. So just to build the reputation, it will be really very hard for a company. So huge damage to the business, direct and indirect as clearly. And if some kind of attack happen on our organization, okay, whether that's a cyber criminal attack or the natural disaster, and if we lose our data permanently, then it will be a nightmare for the cybersecurity professionals how to recover that data, because we don't have the backup plan and our data lost completely permanently. So how just to build it because data is the lifeline for the business. Yeah. And if any kind of breach happen, as you know, putting the firewall, IPS, IDS at the border of the of our network, and placing the antiviruses on the end device is not sufficient no more, because hackers will perform advanced technology to penetrate your network, to cross all the security measures which we have placed in our uh, company, and then definitely breach will happen sooner or later. So it's just a matter of time when it will happen. And when some data losses happen, average cost for the data breach is 7 million. So if we are not having backup plan, then definitely huge damage to our company. And making a uh, backup plan, if we are investing a time, a systematic way, what we need to protect, how we are going to protect, which services we are using, which devices we are using, where we are placing, and we also have what will be the impact if we lose the data, which is the critical data to our company. Then if we are giving time to making a backup strategy properly, then definitely it will save a huge time, effort and business for our company, because we are having a solid plan. If in case if any kind of mishappening uh, will occur, then definitely this is the quickest way we can take, this is the steps we can take quickly and can recover our data, and we can continue our business so quickly, and the loss for the business will be very low. Okay. And the hardware failure is the one of the very big cause of data loss and downtime. So we must be ready for that. If our hardware will be failure, then how just we are going to replace the hardware so quickly. Definitely we will having a plan of the redundant devices, or we are having our backup might be on the cloud, or at the premises or in the offsite location, so which will be suitable for our company. And if any kind of data loss will be happen due to the hardware failure, how quickly recover our data and then we would be able to continue our business. So these are the important point where we need to keep in our mind how important is backup system for us and for our company. Okay, and in case of the businesses who is not having any disaster recovery plan, and any mishappen, some disaster will happen, then 90% of the businesses, huge amount, is not less, 90% of the businesses fail after the disaster. Okay, so it is very important to have a solid backup strategy, and it will help the businesses to recover and to just continue uh, with their progression. Okay, and follow me on the cybersecurity prism and get the notification for the next interesting and informative session. Also share that session with your friends and group members as well, so that they will be able to understand what is the importance of having a solid backup system plan. Okay, and why it is vital for the company. Okay, and in the next session I will discuss about what is cloud computing. So see you in the next session. Namaste.